If you're a Marvel fan, this video is for you. And even if you're not, stick around because today we are talking about a stock that could be the future of cinema. And it's already listed on the stock market. The company we're talking about is Prime Focus. And here's the exciting part. Bollywood's superstar Ranbir Kapoor recently invested 15 to 20 crore in this company. But what does Prime Focus really do? And what did Ranbir Kapoor see जो उसने इतना बड़ा amount इस company में invest किया? Prime Focus started back in 1997 as a small Indian startup offering editing and post-production services. Today, it has grown into world's largest independent media service company. I repeat, largest. Their work includes VFX, animation, 3D conversion, sound, editing, and full studio services. And the best part, they're not just in India. Their studios are in London, Los Angeles, and other major countries. Think about it. Avengers का time travel sequence, Interstellar का black hole, और Brahmastra का VFX. Prime Focus has been behind those visuals. Recently, Prime Focus stock hit a 10% upper circuit. And here's why. A block deal happened where market veterans like Ramesh Damani, Madhu Kilai's AMC, and Utpal Sheth bought nearly 3.3% stake in this company. Let's look at the numbers. So the company reported a revenue of about 3,951 crores in FY24. However, it also reported a net loss of 488 crores. But the biggest challenge for the company is its debt, which nearly stands at 4,879 crores. Even after coming under the Reliance Group earlier, the stock has not been able to deliver consistent returns. So why are big investors putting money in this stock? Simple. They see opportunity. OTT platforms, gaming industry and Bollywood need more and more VFX to make shows, movie and games. Prime Focus has a team with experience to deliver that work. So here's the takeaway. Prime Focus is a world-class company with bright industry outlook and global clients. Its financial health is weak and debt is very high. Prime Focus looks like a perfect addition to your portfolio, but it would be better if you do your own research before acting on this advice. That's it from our side. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any queries or doubts, you can send us a hi on the WhatsApp number given below.